Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem. On threads we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here we search about threads. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix health problem. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your